In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoHighLevel Snapshot ID. If you build, share, or support funnels and automations in GoHighLevel, the Snapshot ID is the unique identifier you'll often be asked for. Think of it as the precise label for a specific snapshot, handy for internal notes, support tickets, and certain integrations that need an exact reference. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account so you're on the main dashboard. From there, make sure you're viewing the platform in agency mode. If you're currently inside a specific sub-account, you won't see the options we need. Use the account switcher at the top area of the interface and choose the agency view. Once you're in agency view, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the section called Account Snapshots. This is where all of your saved snapshots live. You'll see a list of snapshots your agency has created or has access to. Find the exact snapshot you want the ID for. If you manage a lot of them, scan the names carefully so you select the correct one. Consistent naming makes this much easier, so if you haven't standardized your snapshot names yet, consider doing that to avoid confusion later. When you've located the right snapshot, open its Options menu by clicking the three dots next to its name. This menu is where GoHighLevel groups quick actions for each snapshot. In that menu, choose Copy Snapshot ID. As soon as you click it, GoHighLevel copies the unique ID to your clipboard. You'll typically see a small confirmation in the corner, and you won't need to highlight anything manually. The ID is usually a long string of characters, and that's normal. At this point, your Snapshot ID is ready to use wherever it's needed. Treat it like a precise reference number for that snapshot. It's not something you have to memorize. Just know where to get it quickly when a teammate, a client, or support asks for it. Also, because the ID points to a specific asset in your account, share it only with people who should have access to that information. If you didn't see account snapshots earlier, double-check that you're in agency view and that your user role has permission to manage snapshots. Once that's squared away, the option to copy the ID will be available exactly where we covered. That's all there is to it. Open your account, switch to agency view, go to Account Snapshots, select the snapshot, click the three dots, choose Copy Snapshot ID, and your ID is on your clipboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you move faster the next time someone asks for that snapshot ID.